Today, I will guide you how to sign in to your Hulu account. For that, open any preferred browser and type in www.hulu.com. After you have typed in, you need to press enter on the keyboard. This will take you to the official website of Hulu account. On the right hand side of the screen, you can see the login button. Click on it and the login box will appear on the screen where you will be required to enter your email and the password. Once you have entered the Gmail, you need to enter the password here. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you forgot your email or password, you can click on this forget your email or password link and easily reset from there. After you have entered all your credentials on the login box, click on this login button and you can easily log in into your Hulu account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel. Press the notification bell for more updates and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.